Hi guys, welcome to Viva Delicious. I'm your host Karla Beltran, and today I am so excited to have you guys here at ISLA Cuban-Latin kitchen. We're going to try a fusion of Dominican and Cuban food. Follow me.
Hola Karla, mucho gusto.
Mucho
Bienvenida.
gusto,
Encantada.
Daisy. Muchas gracias por tenernos aquí en su restaurante el día de hoy.
Bienvenida. Te estamos esperando.
Gracias, estoy súper emocionada de aprender nueva comida. So,
Yo estoy lista para enseñarte.
¿vamos a la cocina?
Vamos a la cocina.
Chauza ishadondoka, kipande rusha kichupa, akili zishaniruka. Kampani misitaki, kwanza mina kulabati.
Daisy, can you tell me a little bit about the story for your restaurant?
Well, my son had a dream that he said that he wanted to do a restaurant to promote my food because he loved my food so much, and he said that if I could cook like I did at home at a restaurant, it would be a success.
Oh my goodness, and look at the success here. And what would you say is your most successful plate here?
Well, we have a lot of successful plates.
Of course.
Of course, the steak with onions on top,
Okay,
and also the mofongo.
The
Mofongo is
mofongo.
very popular plate.
okay. And is the mofongo specific to the Dominican Republic or?
No, Puerto Rico, Puerto
Okay.
Rican like mofongo a lot too. So yes, it's mostly Dominican and Puerto Rican.
Okay, and you guys have a fusion of Dominican and like Cuban food too.
Yes, yes.
How did you come about that mixture of foods?
We have also a chef that he's Cuban, and
Okay,
he brought his recipes with him,
That's
and we
amazing.
combine my recipe with his.
okay.
And
So
yes.
it's a fusion of all
Yes.
these delicious flavors
Yes.
coming together. And which one would you say is your favorite plate to make, to cook?
To cook, to make, I like the mofongo.
Okay, the mofongo. And to eat?
And to eat, I love the salmon.
The salmon. Okay. Can you tell me a little bit? You said that the mofongo is very popular
Yes.
in the Caribbean. So what is it? What does it entail?
Okay, it's fried plantain mashed with garlic and a pork ring.
Okay.
And then top with, you can top it with anything.
Okay.
Shrimp, steak, or chicken, whatever you would like.
Wow, I love it. That sounds so delicious, especially because of the plantains. I think that
Yes.
the plantains are probably, personally, my favorite part
Your
of all the dishes. And now, can you tell me a little bit about this plate right here, the chicken one?
Oh, that's the pollo asado isla.
Pollo
It's,
asado.
yeah, pollo asado. That chicken is seasoned at least 24 hours before,
Oh, okay.
and it's cooked in the oven, and then top with garlic sauce on top. Our own garlic sauce.
Yeah, I love a good garlic sauce.
Yes.
And then your salmon here looks delicious. Can you tell me a little bit about this one?
That salmon is also marinated the day before.
Okay.
And it's on the broil and topped with garlic.
With garlic.
With garlic sauce.
Lots of garlic here.
Yeah, lots of garlic, yes.
We're in this. And the way that you guys cook these shrimp is basically like perfectly cooked, like to the T. Okay, Daisy, that was delicious. Somehow I still have room for dessert.
Great, great.
So, what are your most popular desserts here?
Over here we have 3 desserts.
Okay.
The arroz con leche, the flan,
Uh-huh. And would you say this one's your favorite dessert?
yes.
Yes?
And I make it myself.
You make it yourself?
Yes.
Really? So you
Yes.
made this today?
Every day I make that fresh.
Oh my goodness.
ese ritmo se
Te estoy recomendando la Condesa con mandala. Es bueno de extra añejos tequila.
Well, I'm
Muy bueno.
definitely excited to try this one because I'm Mexican, you guys, so I love my tequila. Wow, that's a lot of tequila.
It's not a lot.
I guess it's
We're
a
doing
good thing I'm not
a
driving.
fresh strawberry and a fresh pineapple with a fresh lime.
Wow.
A really good shake.
Yes,
Oh,
Oscar,
that's
get
it.
that shake. What was the name of this drink?
La Condesa.
You guys, I had a great time here at ISLA Cuban-Latin Kitchen. If you are looking for a place to eat delicious Dominican, Cuban, Puerto Rican food, this is the place to be. They also have salsa, so make sure you come check it out. They are located in 30 Center Point Drive in La Palma, so come have a drink. And thank you so much for watching Viva Delicious. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.